Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to HUAWEI P20 Pro. Firstly, access Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select Receive on HUAWEI and Send on Nokia. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and after that select Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on HUAWEI, then choose Allow and point your camera at the code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!